Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Benito from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and let's draw the middle puppet. Let's draw 2 circles near the top for the eyes. And now let's color them both in black. Now let's hop down and let's draw the nose. Let's draw 2 angled teardrop shapes, like this. And color them both in black as well. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's draw a curve in the center. Then for the ends, let's bring it up and around. And then close it off with another curve going upwards. And then color the mouth in black. Now that we have the face, now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve on top of the eyes. Now from the sides, let's curve it down and then bring it in. And leave a small gap in the center. And then let's add 2 curves down for the neck. Now let's hop back up to the sides and let's add a curve on the left and on the right. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start on the left side of the neck and let's draw a large curve down and back around to the other side. Then underneath, let's draw a small curve down on both sides like this. Now let's hop down and let's draw 2 angled lines for the sides of the torso. Now in the gaps, let's add the arms. Let's start with a curve down and out from the top line. And the same thing underneath. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start with a set of curves down. Then close them off at the bottom. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. From the bottom of the torso, let's angle it out and down on both sides. Then let's curve it downwards. Next, let's hop to the middle and let's draw a small line across at the same level as the hands. Then let's bring it down for the inside of the legs. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. And that's it for the middle puppet. Now let's move over and draw the one on the left. Let's start on the left side, slightly lower, and let's draw an oval shape up and back down, leaving it open at the bottom. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Let's draw 2 circles at the top for the eyes. And then let's color them in black. Now underneath, let's add the nose again with 2 black teardrop shapes. Now underneath, let's add the mouth in the same way as the other one. And color the mouth in black as well. Now underneath the head, let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And that's it for the head. Now let's add the body. We'll start by curving it out and down on both sides for the shoulders. Now underneath, let's add the arms. From the right side, let's curve it down. And then another curve underneath. And for the left arm, let's angle it out. And another one underneath as well. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. For the right hand, let's draw 2 bumps under the middle puppet's hand. Then let's hop to the left, and for the other hand, let's draw a curve down and up for the thumb. Then for the outside line, let's angle it down and add 4 bumps for the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move in and finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath the left armpit and let's draw a curve down. Then for the right side, let's start with a small angle in and then a curve down. Now underneath, let's add the legs, starting with the left one. Let's start by drawing an angle down. And the same thing from the inside. And then close off the bottom of the leg. From the inside, let's draw a curve up and over to the right. And now for the right leg, let's draw wavy lines down on both sides. And then a curve to close it off. And that's it for the left puppet. Now let's move over and draw the right one. Let's start again with an angled oval shape that's open at the bottom for the shape of the head. And then move inside and let's draw 2 circles near the top for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now let's hop down and let's draw the nose again with 2 angled teardrop shapes. And then the mouth in the same way. And color it in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down for the neck. Now for the shoulders, let's add a curve on both sides. Now let's leave a small gap and add another curve down and in. Now in the gap, let's add the arms. For the left one, let's draw 2 curves down. And then let's continue it on the other side like this. Now at the ends, let's add the hand by drawing a curve at the top and then one underneath the middle puppet's hand. Now let's hop back out to the right side and draw the other arm. We'll start with 2 long curves down. And then a circle at the end for the hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and finish drawing the rest of the body. We'll start with curves down for the sides of the torso. And then for the legs, let's draw an angle out and then curve it down. And then 2 curves from the inside for the other side of the legs. Now at the bottom, let's add an oval shape for each of the feet. And that's it for Benito. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!